Welcome to this video where I want to show you e-commerce website I made with .NET Core 3.1 framework with inclusion of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and AM Charts for showcasing statistics. Design of the website is simple and elegant, colors are neutral and there is very little to almost none animation. It is because this type of websites such as online grocery are being used quite often, so interface needs to be user-friendly and efficient. And this is the main page where user can get information about the company and the products is selling, and as well you got working contact form where user can get more information from the administration before they will decide to create the account. So let me send just quick message. As you can see, everything is being checked by jQuery when I type. Okay, and some message, and I'll show you this message later in the administration menu. And the anonymous user is as well able to check the products, details about the product, and not pretty much all in terms of the anonymous user functionality. Right now I'll explain the user functionality and later the administration functionality. So going to the user, we can create the account. So let me just create some dummy account. As you can see as well, everything is being checked by jQuery. So if email has been used, it's gonna show the message and so on. Okay, let me just include some information and create a password. Alright, and website will log in us to our account automatically. So as a user, we got a little bit more functionality. First of all, we can check our account, so the information we provided, we can see our cart, but at the moment it's empty. Edit our information and as well delete the account. So let me change name from John to David. So as you can see, the information has been changed, and as well we can send a message to the administration as before. And this message will work a little bit differently, and I'll show everything later in the administration menu. Send message. Okay, the message has been sent, so just in case user got some complaint about the order, etc., they can do it through this service here. And as well as user already created account, we are able to do the groceries. So for example, let me get some of the tomato, 1 or 2 steaks, a bottle of wine. Okay, let's say we decided we already chose all the products we want. We can go to our cart and we can remove like one item from the cart, remove all from the one type, or just clear the cart itself. But let me get some of the products again. Okay, and if we already are done with our shopping, we're gonna see the total and we can check out. This is a dummy implementation of the payment method. In real world app, we'll use third-party payment method, which would return as token if payment was successful or unsuccessful. But I'll use this one just to showcase how the information about the order is being registered in the system. So let me include this card number. Okay, oops, it's not valid date, as well not valid. Okay, let's pay. So the order went through. In terms of the user functionality, we will receive email with the confirmation about the order, but this is a dummy email, so it's not gonna work. And I think that's pretty much all. We can as well log out from our account and then log in. But right now I'll explain the administration functionality. So let's log into administration account. Yeah, I already remember the name and the password, so let's log in. Okay, and as you can see, we got another option here, which is admin panel, and this is the admin panel. On the main page, we get some information about the things which happened today in our shop. So we got this last order, which we done a moment ago, made from David Wood for the price of £38. We got new user, 5 messages, which I will show the inbox later, income for today, and information about the stock. I'll show how the product system works in the administration panel. So here we can see all the products we have, so the quantity, the price, we can edit the item, change the quantity, and so on. But as you can see, I'll show you that if, for example, we would have, let's say this product low on stock, is gonna change the color and is gonna showcase the information in the main window. So let me get, it was 30 there, so I'll just get 25 of this product, and let me check out, put some of this information. Okay, and if we go back to the admin panel, you can see in the main window, first of all, there's one product low on stock, so administrator can see it straight away, and as well the information in this panel over here. But this is just showcasing the low quantity. We got as well out of stock. If the product's out of stock, it's gonna show it a little bit differently. So let me do the order again. Okay, let's go back. It's still showcasing that it's one product low on stock. As we go here, it's showing the red color, so the baby squash is of quantity 0, and it's even here, it's not being shown in the products panel. So that's quite nice, but let's assume we want to do the order to our supplier, and we got supply chain here. So let's go to suppliers, and we need to find out from where our product is coming. So this kid squash comes from the kid chain company. So let's place the order, and as you can see, they provide us this squash. So let's get from them, let's say 50 products, and let's place the order. Right now we can assume that we received the order, so the person who got the delivery can update the information about the stock over here. So let's say it's 50, and as you can see, the supplier is set here, so it is showcasing when we edit the information. We can also change the supplier. Let's say the kit chain will no longer exist, so we're gonna change it for someone else. But let's edit, and as you can see, the low on stock information is gone, and as well product is back on the panel. Okay, let's go. We can as well create the product. So let me create, let's say tomato 2. Some description, we're gonna write gibberish. Quantity, let's say 30. Price, let's put £2. We can select the type of the product, so that would be vegetable. And the supplier, so let's say it comes from the same supplier which other vegetables are coming from, so farmer and son. We can choose the picture. Okay, let me just find out where is my project. Okay. And I got the picture of the tomato over here. Okay, let's add the new product. So you can see we've got tomato 2 in the products as well. and we can go to administration and see the product over here. So the tomato 2 is being showcased here, and as well in the supply chain in the farmlands, and this same product has been added here. But let me delete it, so we can delete the product as well. Let's delete the product, and it's gone. Okay, let me showcase right now for the functionality for the users. So here we can manage accounts, and see the information, how much money the particular user spend, what orders they having, and so on. And we can also open the statistics for the users. I mean, these are the user orders. So these are the orders which I created before. And this is the order which we've done before. We can see the items we chosen. Or maybe that's not this one, but I was doing some some tests before, so I don't remember which one it was. I think this one, or maybe this one. Yeah, I guess it was this. I don't really remember, to be honest. We can go to sales statistics, so we are being shown the statistics from the last week, year, and so on. We could as well add more cards to it, or I could even it could be done that there will be a menu where we will be able to change the statistic. But right now I just created some mock information with a mock arrow service, so this data is just completely random, and it's not like consistent with each other. But there will be a real world application, it will be consistent. Okay, we got as well the statistics for the users. So as you can see, this as well mock data. Some information show how many registered users are per month, or types of accounts, because in this website we got 3 different types of user accounts. So it's platinum user, these are like very, very loyal customers, or golden users, so these are quite loyal but not as much as platinum users, and the normal users. And I use the AM Charts to create this chart, all of these charts. And the data is saved on the database, but just mock data. Okay, we got as well created customs, my own CMS for the website. So this is the main page, and we can edit this page. Let's say I want to change the name for online grocery. Okay, online grocery. We can change quality products to, I don't know, just quality. We can as well change the images, but I don't have any other images to change, so I'll just leave it. Okay. We can as well change the information, so let's say we change our phone number for something else. We can as well disable this part of the contact form, just in case there is a problem with it, or for whatever reason we want to do it. We can submit changes. We're being moved to the main page, so as you can see, the name of the website have changed, and I guess our phone number. You can do the same thing for the products page. Let's go to the suppliers, so we can edit our suppliers and place the orders. So let's say the company has sent us email that they change the email address, or they change the phone number. We can edit all of that. We can delete the supplier as well. Okay, we can add a supplier. So whenever we add the new supplier, let me change the farmland 2 and phone number. Okay, let's add it. It's gonna be showcased over here, and when we create a new product, as you can see, the same option, we got another option for farmland 2, so everything is being updated automatically. Okay, let me just delete this one over here. So yeah, so we can edit information, anything, but I'll just delete it. Okay, next thing is organizer. So organizer, this thing is made more just in case we got more people working in the company or our company is stationary. We got stationary shop, not only online distribution. So we can create a team account, and this is the same form as for the normal account, but we can choose the role for the customer. I left here options for the user and platinum user, just in case you want to create an account just for someone and then give them information about the password and so on, so they can later change the password, etc. But we can create the employee account. So for example, employee account just got a restriction to get to the some parts of organizers such as team chat, notes and message board. Anything else? Maybe to check the statistic we can also always modify it. I mean the access however we want. Manager account, so manager account might have access to supply chain, sales, maybe for the users, about the products, and administrator will have access to all of these functions. But I will not create the account. We are right now got the access to all the information from the admin account, so I'll leave it like that. We've got the team chat, so if someone if someone wants to just have chat between team members, explain, give some information, etc., and team members want to respond, they can do all of that here. Notes, so only managers and administrators are able to create, edit and delete notes, and a normal employee is able just to see the notes. And the message board, so as you saw before, I've sent two messages, one from test index, so you can see this message here, and one from the test user, so that was from the user account we created before. So as you can see, you can here got information about if this message was opened, so just in case nobody opened it, we know that we need to check this, so let's do it. And we got this information which I sent before. And as well, there's another checkbox here. If, for example, the person who sent us the message had some sort of issue, then anyone who's a manager or administrator are able to see it. So, in case, let's say something was wrong, and we fix it, we can set it as a result, as submit changes. So, right now, if someone else is coming to the to this menu, is able to see that that issue was resolved. And the same thing with the test user, we can open it and let's say everything was resolved, submit changes, done. And the last thing is we can as well create a new roles. So let's say you want to create some other premium account or something else, or maybe also something for the employees. As you can see, here's my information displayed. And manage user, so we can let's say add people to the platinum accounts. So as you can see, you got 3 people in the platinum account, and we might as well remove them. So as you can see, these 3 people are a platinum, but this is just mock data. I think that's pretty much all about the things which might be expanded in this project. Maybe do some more things about the interface itself, or add more functionality and queries in these statistics. So for example, this panel could be much more detailed, and we could get like means, medians, and so on from the statistics. But in terms of like base for the project, I think that's pretty solid. That's the end of my presentation. I hope you like the project, and in case you want to ask me something, just leave the information. Thank you very much for watching.